Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Usha Goliath 1200W heavyweight dry iron. There's an image of the dry iron on the box, but it's also obscured by the sticker, unfortunately. Whereas some information is mentioned. For instance, this is a 1.8 kilos heavyweight dry iron. It is a 1200W dry iron. It comes with golden Weilburger sole plate for more durability and also 2 years of warranty. Do we have any more information? Okay, some information here. It says it comes with a 1.8 meter long swivel cord, 5 fabric setting, 360-degree swivel cord, indicator lamp power on off, ergonomically designed handle, and 1200W for faster heating. I'll now open this box and show you what's inside. And there you go, this is what you will find inside the box. First up, we have an instruction manual. This is the instruction manual for the Goliath electric iron from Usha. The model number is G01200WG. Everything that you want to know you will find in this document, including a warranty card. So it's an important document, you shouldn't lose it. So there you go, this is what the heavyweight dry iron looks like. This is the Usha Goliath. This is a 1.8 kilos dry iron, so which means that this base here has a weight of 1.8 kilos. It's pretty heavy, by the way. 1.8 kilos is a lot. Underneath you will find the golden Weilburger sole plate. This is German technology that is designed to be used on all kinds of fabric. Not just that, it comes with a very narrow mouth as well. This will make navigating through different fabrics pretty easy. There's a dial over here. This is what you use to this is what you basically use for the different fabric presets. And there's also a pretty nice ergonomic handle as well. Also notice the color combination. This is a white and dark red color combo. Looks very classy and elegant. There's an LED indicator on this side as well. Furthermore, it has a broad base, so you'll be able to keep it very stable like so. Let's take a look at the cord. This is a 1.8 meter long nylon braided power cord with a 3-pin plug on one end. Not just that, this is a 360-degree swivel cord, which means you can turn the cord around like this, full 360 degrees without breaking it. And this is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Usha Goliath 1200W heavyweight dry iron. Thank you for watching.